Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to activate Netspend account on PC. Netspend is a US-based financial services company that offers prepaid debit card and banking style account. It is designed for the people who want flexible money management without a traditional bank. With a Netspend account you can receive direct deposit, shop online, can receive direct deposit and withdraw cash at the ATMs and manage everything through their online account center. So in order to activate to this Netspend account you need to open any of the browser on your PC, Chrome, Edge or Firefox. And in the top there's an address bar. What you can do is type down netspend.com and enter it. And once you get into this home page, what you can do is in the top right corner we can find this activate just below, just beside the sign up now. Select to this activate here and you need to enter your card number and your security card. You need to enter your 16-digit card number on the front of the card and 3-digit of the CVV security code on the back card. And after that you can click to this continue here, and for security and legal reason you'll be actually confirm your full name, birth, US home address, social security number, SSN. This step is required under US financial regulation to protect your account. And once everything is submitted successfully, you see a confirmation. And Netspend services are mainly available to the US residents, and you must have valid US identification to activate the account successfully. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.